What is up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. This is gonna be an exciting video, as you guys can probably already see from the title. We are actually on the way to go pick up my boy Danny, who most of you guys are very familiar with. Cat's out of the bag. He got a new car. So we are on the way to go pick him up for the grand reveal. His new car is finally here. It just got delivered, so I'll let him explain everything from the beginning to his F80 to his new car, so you guys don't want to miss out. This is gonna be a banger. As always, make sure you guys drop a like, comment down below, subscribe for future content. We got some big videos planned, and this is one of them, so I hope you guys enjoy the content. Follow your boy on Instagram, follow Danny on Instagram, and now let's get into this video. It is a beautiful day here in sunny Central Florida. It's a good day to have a good day, if you know what I mean. I know Danny's day is about to get so much better. This is a very long awaited video for you guys. Oh man, I'm super excited for my boy again. Yo,
hyped!
We back!
It's the big day!
I feel like we were just doing this yesterday.
Literally, right?
Yeah, with the Avis.
6 months, boys, 6 months.
You got a lot of explaining to do to the people.
Yes.
Because nobody knows yet.
All right, what's up, YouTube? So, this is a surprise that nobody knew about.
Man's vlogging.
Except your boy.
Man's vlogging.
Yeah, vlogging first time. So, I've been out of the game for about 6 months now.
Crazy.
As you all know, I had the 2018 It Was Blue F80 M3. Sadly, that car got T-boned. So I kept it on the low while I was figuring everything out with insurance. That was a pain in the butt in itself. That took months to resolve, but luckily everything went well. So I went back and forth with myself thinking about what car would I want next. As you all know, I love the F80 platform. I did as much as I could with that car, loved every second of it. So initially I thought maybe I'd hop into like an M3 CS, maybe try to find another individual, but as you guys know, the market has been terrible. Not only are the prices absolutely inflated on F80s, but there's none available. So I searched for probably a month and a half, 2 months for an individual F80 and a CS, and there just wasn't anything. And if there was anything, like I said, the price was super, super inflated. So I started looking at G80s. I've liked the G80s since the leaked images popped up online. I didn't hate them. I didn't love it, but I didn't hate them. I remember I saw one in person at Fields Winter Park out here, and I liked it. And surprisingly, that car was a frozen brilliant white. I was looking at G80s for a while, and I was set on getting a silver car just because I love how they photograph. I love how they look. Blue cars are great in person, but photographing them is a whole different story. And as you know, I'm trying to, make more content, shoot more photos, reels, all that stuff. Maybe eventually start my own channel. But yeah, so I was looking at G80s for a long time, and I found one out of state because Florida didn't have anything. I found a beautiful spec out in California. The price was right, the options were right, and I purchased it. So,
But big hype, baby, big hype.
Let's go.
What's up, YouTube? Just wanted to interrupt today's video to bring you guys a message from today's sponsor, and that's Simply Carbon Fiber. So as you guys can see, I am not at my garage right now. I'm actually at my in-laws, so Merry Christmas if you guys celebrate that, and Happy New Year, of course. But huge shout out to Simply Carbon Fiber. They are a huge sponsor of my channel, and without them, I couldn't make videos like this for you guys. So do me a favor, make sure you guys check out their website. I'll put it on the screen now. Right here, you guys are looking at my phone case for my iPhone 12. This thing is beautiful, and it's full carbon fiber, which goes with the aesthetic of being a car guy. Everything that we love is carbon fiber. So their products, like their phone cases, wallets, and sunglasses, are catered towards car enthusiasts like you and me. Even though Christmas is over, this is a perfect gift for any car person. So make sure you guys do me a favor, check out their website, use my discount code. It'll be linked in the description below. Now let's get back into this one.
All right, boys.
Pulling up, we're pulling up.
Pulling up. Oh, I see the truck.
Grand reveal.
In front. Yeah, there she is.
Oh shit.
Wow, let's go. That is my car, boys. That is my car. Holy. Hyped. I'm so hyped.
Let's go. I don't think you guys have seen the GTS hood in daylight, but yo, this shit looks hard. Holy. And then we have Danny's car in the back. Let's go. We're actually dropping the car off tomorrow for paint, so Danny's video will probably come out before the reveal. But look at that GTS hood, guys. Absolutely love it. The F80 looks complete now. Can't wait to get it back from paint. But let's go ahead, and give you guys a review of Danny's brand new G80 M3 competition. Frozen white G80 M3 competition with, you guys will see very soon, the carbon package inside. It's probably my favorite part of this car, as well as the frozen white paint. This thing looks crazy. You guys see the paint right there? Matte white, frozen white. Thing looks beautiful. Super happy for my boy Danny. We're doing 2 reveal videos, delivery videos in 1 year, it feels like. So everybody, make sure you guys go do me a favor, follow Danny and go congratulate him on the new car. And yeah, this thing is super sick.
Let's go. I'm back.
All right, first walk around, let's do it. Actually, okay, let's go see the seats first. That's what all that matters. That's all that matters.
Pretty much why I bought this car.
Oh,
Buckets, extended leather. This car has
take a seat, brother. Take a seat.
every option I would have wanted.
Take a seat in the kingdom.
Oh, they are not lying about how these shits are high. Yeah, it's hard to get in these, but once you're in, this is me.
Looks like you're at home.
This is me. Oh,
where you belong.
These feel great.
Hell yeah.
Actually. It's very tight.
Give us all your raw reactions, man. This thing is sick.
Compared to the comp seats, I don't know if these are adjustable or anything just yet. I haven't actually looked too much into these.
Oh yeah, I'm not sure if the bolsters are either.
But on first, like, sit down, these are tighter than what I'd say the tightest settings are on the comp seats on the F80s. So, I mean, you're not gonna be moving in here. So.
Dude, those look solid. I'm gonna sit in them after Danny walks around, but yo, congrats, my boy.
Thank you.
2 delivery videos in what, 1 year?
Literally, it's been a long time coming. But
yeah,
everything's good. It worked out in the end, and I'm back.
Hell yeah.
Back.
It honestly did work out in the end, so congrats to the boy. He is back. Check out the exterior. Give you guys another walk around. Can't forget the laser lights as well.
Yeah, so just a little background for the boys. So it's obviously frozen brilliant white, and it has the buckets, extended leather, shadow line package, which is awesome for the headlights and tail lights. But one of the most important things that it had, the carbon exterior package. So
nice.
It has these carbon inlets, it has the mirror caps and the diffuser. And for those of you that know,
let's take a look. Let's take a
look.
look.
The OEM prices on these are astronomical. So for people that optioned the carbon package or are going to, it's worth it. Oh, and the lip spoiler on the trunk, obviously, but here she is.
And the diffuser. The thing I really like about the G80s are their tips are massive from the factory.
Yeah, they are.
They're really like cannons. And Danny mentioned earlier that, you know, like prices for F80s when he was looking are kind of like astronomical right now.
Right.
But Danny actually got a really good deal on this car, so
yeah,
that's why you guys are looking at it right now. And this one came all the way from California, as he mentioned already.
Yeah, I mean, I looked everywhere, guys. Trust me, I would have loved to buy in Florida, believe me, but Cali's saving the day.
Hell yeah.
And it's on Michelin.
He won the tire lottery. If you guys watch the Daily Driven, which all of you guys probably do, he always talks about losing the tire lottery. But it looks like Danny lucked out and got the 4 S's on here, so he's set.
Yeah,
and the tread's
good.
Yeah, it does look really good. You got the black comp wheels. These things are sick. Oh, you got the black
and
painted.
The calipers.
Okay, the black painted calipers. Those are clean, actually.
Yeah.
You don't see that a lot ever. So what are these, like 295s?
Yeah, so I believe these are either...
Because you got 275s up front.
Yeah, I think these are 285 20s in the rear, 19s, 275s up front.
Wow. Shout out to the driver, cool guy. And tell the boys you had to get the enclosed trailer, right?
Yeah, you had to. I wasn't risking it, not from Cali. 1 rock is all it takes and game over.
And he got here freaking pretty quickly.
Pretty quickly for Cali.
Look how big that transport is.
Yeah.
That guy's a legend.
And what you guys didn't see, so he also dropped off an Aston Martin Vantage, but I guess the owner came here and picked it up already. But pretty cool.
Nice.
This color slaps.
The contrast between the orange and the white and the black rims. We got the GOAT coming. We're actually at his dealership right now. You guys know Benny, the GOAT. If you don't know, you should know. Make sure you guys follow Shane M3. We're actually at his dealership right now.
With the
Chick-fil-A!
What's up?
Back on the vlog, the GOAT.
What it do? What it do?
All right, man, what do you think? What's the first impression? You already saw it before we did, but
I did.
make sure you guys follow Shane M3, the new golf cart. Shit's fire. All right, certified BMW tech.
Review.
What do you think?
You did a good job, Dan.
I appreciate it, buddy.
He got my favorite color. It's okay. I let this one slide. I let it slide.
Because I'm the boy.
Nah, but it looks good, man. No, for real. I saw it before you guys pulled up, just because obviously I'm right across the street. But so far, everything looks pretty good. He didn't start it while I was over here. Yeah, he just had the blinkers flashing. But I mean, everything looks solid. The car looks solid. The paint looks like it's in good condition. Same with the interior. I mean, yeah, you definitely got a steal on this one, man. Definitely.
Thank you.
Hell yeah. Now Ben's not the only white car in our group,
Right.
but this thing looks crazy with the lasers as well. I told him he should start it up though. S58 boys. He's a fast boy now. Crank hub done already, bro. All right, first start up. Valve's open, valve's open. Just kidding, he's probably still figuring out all the buttons inside. There we go. S58 grumble, boy.
Yeah. I think for stock, not bad.
No, the comps actually sound good. It's like kind of like our old comps, you know?
Yeah.
I think all comps from factory sound really good, so.
We'll get her loud soon enough.
Oh, these are shadow line taillights, he says. Hell yeah. This lighting right now is fire. Even the F80. Looking fire.
It's been a tough time. It's been a tough time, boys.
Well, I'm sure the reward was very worth it.
Yes, it is. Shout out to Bagel.
It's good.
As most of you guys know, the carbon buckets, definitely my favorite part. These things are hard. I'll show you guys the lasers while they're on. This is super exciting, man. When the homies upgrade and level up, you gotta be happy for them always.
I feel poor.
I feel poor. All right, let's go ahead
Yo, I keep reaching.
and sit inside.
I keep reaching to where you turn that baby on by the wheel. All right, so unlock 3 times once it's like right now.
Close it. You have to close the car.
Damn, you guys see it?
All right.
Also to mention, we forgot to mention, he got the extended leather. This thing looks absolutely incredible inside. If you guys haven't sat in BMW buckets before, they feel absolutely amazing. Super snug, you're not going anywhere. And honestly, they're not that uncomfortable as people say. I think I would definitely rock this. This thing is so nice. Congrats. The extended leather is so premium. You guys see the color match all around. I think this is the Kalami orange. Don't butcher me on the pronunciation, but these look crazy, especially on the frozen white. Definitely not a spec that you see often, but yo, let's go. All right, we're gonna go pull into Ben's Bay so we can take another look at the at the G80, not F80. Don't worry, anybody. The F80 not going anywhere. Yo, look at it rolling though. Looks so good. My boy. Ben's about to pull her in, but dude, I can't stop looking back at my F80 M3 with the GTS hood. All right, how was that first drive?
Good. She feels planted. Very good.
It's hella luxury in here, boy.
I know, right? Check me out. I love extended leather, bro. Like after sitting in your car and Ben's, like I learned.
Shit, my car is Ben's car.
It's a small piece.
All right, we're inside the dealership right now. Here is the S58 power plant. You guys probably already know by now. This thing is a beast. Crank hub already done. Potential to make insane power. I mean, these things are probably the best engine that BMW's ever built. Congrats to the boy. Ben, because I know you love doing it, what are you looking for in a car like this? People love to hear it.
I'm just looking for like any bolts that have been touched before, like if they had like some sort of like lowering suspension on it or anything like that. You kind of want to just like if you look at like these bolts here, you can tell like they've never been touched with like an impact or anything like that, because they still look brand new.
Yep.
So you're just looking for like little stuff like that to just give you a sign if the car has been like modified or anything like that.
Hell yeah. Everybody's favorite tech right here.
I try.
Flood him with questions. Don't vote his warranty. Shit, Callus downpipes already, son? Look at that. Supposed equal length from factory.
Yeah.
You know.
Jeez, how many resonators does this thing have?
You cut these two out, you'll be good.
Yeah.
Or maybe first prototype, equal length. Alright, so we got the certified stamp of approval from my boy Benny. About to pull it out now, get you guys some B-roll. Look at the boy. Look at the boy. Super happy. Let's go. That shit is different in the sun, yo.
Gotta crawl out there.
Yeah, you do.
Yo, in the sun, this paint though.
Shout out to Ben, certified stamp of approval. Always doing what he does best.
Legend.
Looks good.
Definitely be seeing this car hella soon in all of the videos. Boys back. Alright, that's gonna wrap it up for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. We'll get Danny's final thoughts right here. Final thoughts before we close out the vid?
Unreal. I mean, seeing this paint in the sun, we just pulled out of the bay, but just checked it out. I mean, this is
the real deal.
Different.
It's the real deal, dude.
It's different. And then you mix in the shadow line lights,
dude.
And already with the carbon diffuser, carbon wing, I mean,
Carbon
nice.
out.
Yeah, carbon package.
Congrats, boy.
Thank you, thank you.
Wow. Make sure you guys follow these two homies
Name
right
change
here.
coming soon.
Name change coming soon. Follow them boys. But I want to thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this one. Yo,
Appreciate all the love.
Christmas came early for the boy.
I'm back.
He's back, he's back. You guys will definitely see his G80 on the channel in probably the next couple videos, so stay tuned for that. You guys don't want to miss out. Make sure you guys drop a like, comment down below, subscribe, follow us both on Instagram if you would, and yeah, we'll see you on the next video. Take care, peace.